In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add the Laguerre filter in TradingView Pro. First, make sure you're logged into your TradingView account and you have a chart open. This can be any market you like: stocks, forex, crypto, futures, whatever you usually trade. It's important to start on a clean, visible chart so you can clearly see the indicator once we add it. At the top of your chart, you'll see a toolbar running horizontally. Look for the button labeled Indicators or Indicators and Strategies. Go ahead and click on that. This opens up the main indicators window in TradingView, which is where you can access all of the built-in tools, community scripts, and favorites. Once that window is open, your eyes should go straight to the search box near the top. This is where you'll type the name of any indicator you want to find, instead of scrolling through a long list. Click inside that search box so your cursor is active, and then type Laguerre Filter. As you type, TradingView will automatically start filtering the results. You should see Laguerre Filter appear in the list below. Make sure you select the one that matches what you're looking for. When you see it, click on it once. TradingView will instantly apply the Laguerre filter to your current chart. You'll notice a new pane or overlay appear, depending on how this particular version of the indicator is designed. Take a moment to confirm it's visible and updating with price. If it's in a separate window below the chart, you can resize that window by dragging the top edge up or down so it's easier to read. From here, you can customize the indicator if you want. Hover over the name of the Laguerre filter on your chart and click the settings icon. This opens up the inputs and style options. You can adjust things like the smoothing factor, colors, and line thickness to match your trading style and make the indicator more readable. Remember, visual clarity is key when you're making trading decisions quickly. If you're not already on TradingView Pro and you want access to more indicators, extended data, and additional features on your charts, check out the affiliate link in the description. Using that link supports the channel at no extra cost to you and unlocks the full potential of TradingView Pro, so you can get even more out of tools like the Laguerre filter. And that's all you need to do to add the Laguerre filter in TradingView Pro.